Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on this laptop. There are two ways to do that. The first one is by using the 3-key combination of keys, which is Windows, Shift and S buttons. And alternatively, you can press Fn key that is located next to your Windows button, and holding it, press the right Shift button. And this is another way to take a screenshot. Now, to take a screenshot, you have to make sure that the Snip option is selected. In this menu, then select one of the 4 modes for a screenshot. The first one is the rectangular screenshot. To take a rectangular screenshot, you have to select an area on your screen that you want to capture, and the screenshot will be taken once you select the area. If you click on the notification right here, you'll be able to edit this photo using quick tools at the top of your screen. You can edit this photo in Paint, and to save the new version, click right here. But the photo itself is already on your computer once you take a screenshot. To find it, you have to go to the File Explorer, then open Pictures, Screenshots, and here it is. Now, let's go to the second screenshot mode, which is the window screenshot. To take a window screenshot, you just have to click on the window you want to take a screenshot of, and the screenshot will look like this. So it's a screenshot exclusively of the window itself. The third version is the full screen screenshot, and if you select full screen screenshot, the screenshot will be taken immediately, and it will be just a screenshot of your entire screen, just like this one. And the last option is the freeform screenshot. And the freeform screenshot basically lets you draw any shape on your screen, and this way you'll get a screenshot like this one, depending on the shape that you drew. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.